Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav and today we are going to see database lab experiment number 8. So this is our login page. So here is our login. So we will run this file. So we enter the ID, let's say 4, and name Abhishek and username Abhi. And when we click submit, it says data inserted. Now let's go to the table and check. So the new table from login, we can see that data is inserted. Let's see the coding. So in this we have ID, the text field name is text field 1, this is text field 2, and this is text field 3, and we have 3 labels: ID, name, and username. We have a button called submit. So the login page extends the Java strings which we can see, and when we click the button, it will take the value from the J text field 1 and insert into EID, from text field 2 and text field 3 insert into ename and username, our local variables respectively, and then we create a query: insert into login values EID, ename, and username. So this will be our query. So in the table login, the values will be there, and we have to then execute the query. So this is the execute update is the statement to execute the query, and if there is any error, if there is no error, then it will show data inserted. And that's all. So now we have, if we want to do it with the console, we can do it from here itself. So if you want to insert anything into booking, so we give some car ID, say 4, car name GGG. So now it says okay, it's done. Let's see the so the 4th car ID 4 and GGG has been inserted. Now we can modify the booking. So update the car name, so we can change it to FFF, and the car ID was 4. So it is done, as we can see from here. In the database also, it is changed from GGG to FFF. We can also delete from the booking and search in the booking. So let's say we want to delete it. So let's check the database. Yes, it's deleted. And if we want to search for it, so we already had few more details like 103, 101, 111. So let's search for 111. So it says the car name is BBB, and it is in the database also. So now let's see the coding for it. So first of all, we will just enter the database. This is just the values which should be taken, and then we are going to connect to it to the MySQL Oracle driver. So the U will be the username, and V will be the password which we have taken in from the console, and then we are just printing out the values. So insert, modify, delete. When the user inserts, then for each of them we will have a switch case. So for one insert, so the query will be executed. The query will be this: insert into car ID values, car ID and car name, and HTML that execute query. So it will execute the query. So it will take, first of all, for that we have to take the value next and next int and next. If the user takes the value to modify it, then it is going to take the car ID and the car. So the first of all, the update car ID name, car name in the car ID, which will be updated in the car name where car ID will be same. And if we want to delete it, so we'll take the input of the car ID, and where it matches we are going to delete that record. And similarly for the search. and we will do it for whole of the thing. If there is any error, it will display connection dot error failed. And that's all. Thank you.